Hi family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selina Zinchuk. If you are new here, can you please consider joining our family? My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, we're going to be making a powerful deep condition for our natural hair. You will need about 45 almonds, half cup of horsetail herb, and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed. You will need to wash your fenugreek seed before we proceed to the next step. I always use distilled water on my DIYs. I added in 2 cups of water for the fenugreek seed, 1 cup of water for the horsetail herb, and half cup of water for the 45 almonds. We are going to leave this until the next day for it to infuse properly. Have you tried soaked almonds? If you do, let me know down in the comment section. That is one of the way I love to eat my almonds. I always soak it, and then the next day I will sit down and peel it and eat it. It tastes so awesome. If you give it a try, let me know what you think. We are going to be making our homemade almond milk. Almond milk contains a lot of protein that is fantastic for strengthening hair and reducing breakage. Almond milk contains a high amount of iron, also great for strengthening hair and preventing hair loss. The fatty acids in almond milk make it suitable for conditioning hair and promoting softness. So put your almonds into a blending cup, add in the soaked almond water, and then we are going to blend it, and we will be using our homemade almond milk into this recipe. Our next ingredient will be our aloe vera plant. We will be extracting the gel from the plant to use on our hair. I got this from my garden. The best part of aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of the plant. Apply aloe vera gel along with other natural ingredients to your hair and scalp and let it penetrate your hair follicles, which in turn condition and improve damaged and dry hair. So this is a very great ingredient also in improving a natural hair growth. Now we got our aloe vera gel, we got yogurt, our homemade almond milk, horsetail herb, and our fenugreek. Add about 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and then I will be going in with my DIY growth oil. I also have this video on my channel. I will leave it down in the description box for you to check it out. Natural yogurt is full of protein that offers nourishment, which the hair needs for proper growth and health. It has lactic acid that is great for cleansing the scalp and clearing away the dead skin cells to help your hair grow properly. Yogurt is also known for its soothing properties. Now we got our beautiful homemade deep condition. I got my DIY coffee oil, my scalp massager, and this is my mixture of Horsetail, black rice, and fenugreek seed. I also have that video on my channel. I will leave it down for you to check it out. I also have the video of my DIY coffee growth oil. I will also leave that video down in the description box for you to check it out. I'm just going to part my head into smaller sections, and then I will apply my sprays to my hair and then go in with my coffee oil on my scalp, and then I will go in with my deep condition, making sure I apply this evenly to my scalp and hair. I will sit under my steamer for 15 minutes, and then I will leave it on and just do stuff around the house for about a couple of hours. After, I will rinse it out and go in with a moisturizing shampoo, and then I will style my hair. If you love this video, can you please give me a like? It will help my channel out a lot. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you will give this a try, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.